Hello, I'm actually kind of like an unplanned ride. It's more like I guess most of you might be knowing about the forest fire happening in Bandipur. It's been like this couple of days, and today we actually saw in the forest department of Facebook page where they were actually requesting people with the drone to come around and help them locate the places, I believe, to get a kind of like an aerial view. A friend of mine actually tagged, and then I got to know, and I spoke to the forest official. They asked to come. If it's possible to come today itself, but I couldn't go. I was also speaking to the Armenian, so he already reached the place. I think he left around afternoon, so he is there. So it's around 9 o'clock, 9:30 now. So one of my other friend Rohil is also coming. So me and Rohil will be riding now. I think probably in the morning around 4:35 or something we'll reach, and we'll help them actually to get an aerial view of the forest and see if we can help them in any way. There's probably some animal, so everybody's actually stopped here. We heard a sound. Okay, that's Rohil's weapon. Not to beat with it, but to throw it on and run.
Has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Back home ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So we are sitting here inside the Bandipur forest. There's no fire here though, but there was somewhere up the hill.
As you can see, the area around here towards our left has been complete. Counter fire has been set up so that the fire from up the hills doesn't spread over, and trenches has also been made just so the fire from the hill doesn't spread across onto the fields and the farmlands beyond this. Such a sad state of plight, but this is life.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್. Done. You can take off. ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 3.5. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 3.5. How much it costs actually?
Okay, lunchtime now. Yeah, kadame. Okay, we are done with the drone thing. So there is almost all the fire has been doused. Yeah. So this is where we are staying for the night. This place is called 10 degrees off. This they have a very nice setup here. Really cool place, silent, and it's really nice, really nice. Well kept, well maintained, simple, and perfect. It's really nice. And almost around 10-15 kilometers there is nothing around here. There's just barren lands and forests and everything.
ನಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಓ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಕಲರೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದು.
The fire came this side. Not sure if you can see this. ಟೀ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ, ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Reached safe home. It's about 12:30 or something. Just to summarize the entire thing, we went on the request from the forest officials that they wanted the drones to be used to survey the places where there are fires still happening. So he actually kind of like took us around inside the Bandipur forest. We flew our drone, and most of the fire was already like extinguished, so there wasn't much, but we just had to survey and make sure that there isn't anything. Almost everything is settled now. Many of the volunteers actually came from Bangalore. They got some stuff, and a few of the bikers actually wanted to help by going to the forest and by trying to plant the trees, and that there was some idea of it. So I was actually discussing with the range forest officer, so RFO. So when he said something like, I guess it makes actually a lot of sense when there is even a rule, it seems. Bandipur is not just the reserve forest, it's also a national park. So there shouldn't be any human intervention to it. That means you should never plant a tree and never cut a tree, or basically you don't interfere with the wildlife. So because anything you do artificially, it's going to affect the wildlife. So he said that whatever happens, it will stay, and hopefully the forest will restore in time. It was really sad to see. I think I see you guys already seen some of the visuals. Actually, it was like hill after hill was like everything burnt down. Probably it will take years to actually get that back, and those were one of the very scenic scenes whenever we passed through Bandipur. So this however, there was some part of it were still seen, and we were seeing the deers and animals, so they were around. I'm hoping that most of them survived. I'm sure many of you are actually doing the bit you can, so thank you so much for the all the forest officials. They were kind of like sleepless for last 5-6 days. So okay then, I guess until the next ride, see you all, bye.